Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on UMA token. On a 4-hour time frame chart for the past several days, UMA is moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after 22nd of January 2024. You can see it is moving inside this wedge. And now the movement is quite squeezed and right now it is once again reached the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. At the same time, you can see that UMA is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of $4.20 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that UMA has already broken out a quite big falling wedge pattern, and then we had a very powerful rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this side, then you can see it was more than 474% pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. And previously, this level has been breaking as a support zone here, resistance here, and again, we got rejection and drop down at this long-term support of $4.20. On a weekly time frame chart, so far this support is not broken down. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for a few hours the price has been moving below this support, but after testing the support of the wedge, it is again moved above than the support. And now it is trying to break out this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for UMA that I shared a few days ago on 27th of January 2023 with my members almost 10 days ago. And that was a harmonic bullish versus cipher pattern that it was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair, not with US dollar, with Bitcoin pair. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, entered the buying zone here, and completed the leg of this cipher pattern. Then we had a nice pump, and this was almost 12% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of UMA. And now you can see that the movement is quite squeezed inside this mesh pattern. And therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. For example, if the price breaks down the support of this wedge, that I'm not expecting that it will break it down. However, in case of breaking it down, the next target to the downside can be at $2.89. And in that situation, we can also break down the next long-term support of $3.15. And in case of breaking out this wedge, the target to the upside will be approximately at $6.40. And in my opinion, after breaking out this wedge, it can also try to break out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $7.08 and goes to $9. And you can see that previously when we broke out this wedge, the price and was rejected by this resistance zone. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance zone, it will be flipped into a strong support for the price. And in this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. By the way, the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart. That target is here at the top of the wedge. That is between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.